So ayan po yung problema, ayaw mag-start. Listen and look at it. Ayan, pinapalitan ko ng baterya. Motolite Gold 3SM. Ayan, 21 months ang kanyang guarantee. Okay, napalitan na yung baterya. Let us see. Very good. Congratulations. Sira lang ang baterya. Thank you.